In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an iTunes gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to send a digital gift card that arrives fast and safely. First, head to the official Apple website and navigate to the gift card page. This ensures you're purchasing directly from Apple, which protects you from fake codes or inflated prices you might see elsewhere. Once you're on the gift card page, look for the option labeled Apple Gift Card or iTunes Gift Card. In many regions, the Apple Gift Card now covers the same uses as the classic iTunes Gift Card, including purchases in the App Store and iTunes, so choose whichever option is presented for your area. Next, select the amount you want to send. Common amounts include $10, $25, $50, and $100. Think about what the recipient might want to buy, whether it's an album, an app, a subscription, or a few rentals, and pick the amount that fits your budget and their needs. You can always combine multiple gift cards later if you're planning a larger gift. Now, enter the recipient's email address. This is where the digital code will be delivered, so take a moment to double-check for any typos. If you're buying the card for yourself, simply use your own email address so the code lands in your inbox. You'll also see an optional field to add a personal message. This is a nice touch if you're celebrating a birthday, a holiday, or just want to add a quick note explaining the gift. After that, enter your payment details. You'll be asked for standard information to complete the purchase securely. Make sure the billing details you provide match your payment method to avoid delays. When everything looks correct, go ahead and click Buy. You should see a confirmation that your order is processing. The gift card code is then sent by email. Digital gift cards are usually delivered within seconds or minutes after payment, so keep an eye on the recipient's inbox. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a little time. Delivery can vary slightly depending on email providers. The email will include the code and clear instructions on how to use it. That's all there is to it. You've visited the official Apple gift card page, chosen the right card and amount, entered the recipient's email, added an optional message, completed payment, and sent a digital gift card that arrives quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and enjoy gifting with confidence.